friends, today we will be drawing sports balls. Yes, game on! First we will learn how to draw a soccer ball. Draw a big circle. Within the circle, draw hexagons. That's right. Keep drawing. Now we will paint the hexagons grey. Keep painting. Now we will add off-white color. Keep painting, friends. Our soccer ball is ready. Goal! Let's get set for a match. Now we will learn to draw a basketball. Draw a big circle. Time to paint the full circle orange. Within the circle, draw curvy lines. Our basketball is ready. Come on now, let's dribble. Now we will learn to draw a volleyball. First, draw a big circle. Within the circle, draw 9 stripes. Yes, keep drawing, friends. Now we will paint 2 stripes blue, Then 3 stripes with yellow. And 4 stripes with a lighter shade of blue. Our volleyball is ready! Let's go! Now we will learn to draw a tennis ball. Draw a big circle. Within the ball, draw 2 semicircles facing outwards. Now we will paint the ball green. And 2 stripes with a lighter shade of blue. Our tennis ball is ready! Let's serve! Now we will learn to draw a bowling ball. Draw a big circle. And then draw 3 smaller circles on the inside. Doesn't it look like a face? Or a coconut? Now we will paint the full ball grey, except the 3 circles. Now we will paint the 3 circles black. Our bowling ball is ready! Get set, go! Strike!
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue, pretty blue. And then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow. Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!